So this is the original frame, and it also comes with this where you can put the pictures. I've started to take it apart so you can't see it very well, but as you can see, it also has these little wooden frames around. So I've been popping them out because I'm gonna use this and not the back of this. So here you can kind of have an idea of what I'm looking to do. So I took out some of the frames, the little frames, and I'm gonna cut the picture that I want, resize it. So I'm just working on which size I want to do. Isn't he adorable? And for the back of the frame, I'm going to be using some of the scrap paper that I have, kind of like a collage scrap paper book picture frame. That's what I'm going for. And it also has these little quotes and things like that, a couple of nice ones that I'll probably mix into the frame. As you can see, this is the placement of the pictures of kind of what I'm thinking that I'm gonna do. I'm missing a couple of pictures, so I texted Maurice to send me some pictures or print out some pictures from this particular photo shoot, and then I'll fill it in later. But isn't this guy so cute? And look at Bleak, he's adorable. And my little handsome Logan. And I've put some of the words that came in that set. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put in some of the other spots. Now the next step is to cut out the pictures to fit those little framed areas. And then after that, I can create the collage background using the cardstock that I purchased. And this is the back of the frame. I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna use this so that I can cover it with all of my cardstock scraps. And I've already started kind of laying it out like I want it. So as you can see, kind of like just in a square pattern. And that's going to be the back of the frame as kind of like the mat. So I'm done with the back of the frame. And I just wanted to look at the placement a little bit so that I can start putting it together. Almost there, almost done. I just framed this one. And by the way, don't mind the noise. My boys are playing robot upstairs. So that's the finished first frame. And then here goes the next one that I have to frame. Pretty cute. My project is finally complete. Look at these beautiful frames. I'm gonna put them in my hallway entrance, and whenever I come inside my house or guests come in, they'll be welcomed with these beautiful pictures of my boys and our family.